I love my woods. This is my church here. The animals are alive again. The birds are chirping. It's beautiful out. It's about 5 o'clock. It's the end of April. The weather just turned like a few days ago in the 60s, 70s. So I think and we haven't had too much rain. So my thinking is the river is right where it needs to be as far as the level goes. And over the past few days, water temp has come up. So I'm thinking that the bass should be active. I know the pike should be active too. By now, they're definitely active. So I feel like this little evening fishing mission might turn into something fun. I'm sure hoping. Alright, starting today, I'm going to start with my always the go-to lure for fishing for pike. Just want to give it a few casts, see how it swims. It's an old lure. I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel, just trying to buy my time before I go get more gear. But this is the lure that should be seeing some action. It's got good bright color. And if the pike are biting and they see that go by, they'll take a swipe at it. Yeah, that's juicy. They're gonna want to eat that if they see it. I'd like to catch a pike today. I'd also like to catch some bass if they're biting. I guess a bass would bite on this lure too. I've had them stab at it. So, let's see if there's anything popping. It's a juicy brush pile right here. I mean, I don't see why there wouldn't be pike hanging out right here. Just don't want to lose my lure. Water's not as clear as I would like it yet, but it's definitely fishable. I'm going to see if we can get ourselves some bass and some pike, hopefully. If you look, see that tree stump? There's got to be something over there. Right in front of that tree stump. Pike population went down in this stretch for a while, but I think there's still some around. I had one break me off around here in the fall, maybe. So there's potential for both species here. That's why I like this spot. This is my church right here. The birds are having fun. That's right where I wanted to go. Water is stained, which is good. It's not too stained. Oh, already snagging a stick. Kidding me? No. You gotta be kidding me, dude. This can't happen right now. Okay, phew. It already begins. How many casts I make before I'm struggling. Alright. Brush piles keep changing on me over here. I don't know what's what anymore. I gotta relearn all the snags because they've all... Oh, I had a pike follow. He's right in front of me. Let's see if he goes for it over here. Damn. I don't know why I pulled it out of the water. He was right there. Alright, that's a good sign. He's still over here. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna catch him. That was a nice one too. He looked like he was like 24 inches. Come on. I don't think he saw me either. Where'd he go though? He swam off this way. Right back where that snag was. Keep it on top more. He would have ate it, man. I was sleeping on it. Oh well. Bet you if I threw my worm lure at him, he'd eat it. He's still around. I'm gonna have to keep casting this spot for a little while now. I spooked him. I must have spooked him. Alright. It's alright. Just keep casting. A few more minutes. See if anything happens and move to another little spot. There's a fallen over log right here. Looks like a nice spot something can hang out. I really want to catch a pike, and the fact that I had one follow my lure after like 2 or 3 casts, I feel like it might be time. Alright, let's move on. We'll come back here on our way out, see if I can't get that pike to bite. Alright, gotta watch out for poison sumac vines, because I don't want to be itchy for another month. I just got over it last week. I don't want to go back to that. That was a freaking nightmare. I just scared something again. I don't know if it was a carp or what. I'm gonna throw my worm lure because we got like a sand flat here. If there's any bass looking for spot to warm up, or maybe a spawn spot. There we go. I got something. What is it? Yeah, buddy, I knew it. It's a bass. Hell yeah. Fish number 1, Des Plaines River fishing. First bass of the day. It's not anything huge, but hey, he's kind of warm too, so that means they're going to be active. That's a beautiful thing. All right. Hey, hey. Bass number one. Let's get it. Nothing special, just a dink. But that gives me hope that the bigger ones are also out there. Here we go. Off he goes. All right, so there's bass in the sand flats. That's good. I'm glad that the lure works as well. Might be a 4-pounder out there ready to eat. Oh, dude. What was that? That was a big fish, dude. It looked like a big pike. That was crazy. 2 stabs, no grabs. So, give this a few casts around here and move to another spot. There it is. Oh, look at that big beaver. Look out for him. Damn, that's a giant beaver, dude. He's like 5 feet long. That's a monster. No wonder there's trees down everywhere. It's crazy. Crazy. At least I got to cast around for a little while. Caught a little bass. Nothing special. Hey, they're starting to bite a little bit, right? Spot number 2 of the day. Under a bridge that has some rocks. And there's a deep spot near it. So I'm gonna see if I can catch a pike or some smallies or something. I have a feeling that there's gonna be spawning fish there, so I'll see you at the spot. We're at the spot under this bridge. We have some rocks and a deep spot. I've fished here before. It had success, so I was fishing right by it, so I figured why not give it a try today. I don't see why there wouldn't be fish biting here right now. I'm going to throw a pike lure first. See if there ain't a hungry pike that wants to eat. And there's just lures stuck in all the trees. Wasn't like this last time I came here. Someone must have known where I was fishing in my video or something. Wouldn't doubt it. Be nice to catch a pike right now too. I wouldn't mind it. Is that a snag? Really? Ugh. What the heck did I snag down there? Whatever it is just moved. What is it? Oh, what do you know? It's a trusty old stickfish. Get him out of my way. It's a female. Alright, well now that's out of my way. something and it got off. Might have been a stick. Didn't feel like a definitive bite. It felt kind of like a stick. Another stick fish. What? Come on. Really? How? Oh, I got it free. I can't even believe it. Okay, I can't let it sit too long. There's nothing but snags. So I'm not going to do that again. Luckily, I was able to get my lure back. Oh, right in front of me. That was awesome. Definitely the biggest fish I've caught today. What is it? A largemouth. It's a nice largemouth. All right. Moving up in the world, folks. I knew there'd be bass here. That's a nicer size than I've caught in the pond, at least. He's a fatty. Nice. All right. He's been caught a couple times. But hey, that's Des Plaines River for you. It's a nice 1 pounder. Take it. Take it, baby. Mission success on the Des Plaines River. Off he goes. There's probably more.